Everything your computer does, every photo, every song, every game is built from one tiny idea: the bit. A bit is the smallest possible piece of information. It answers exactly one yes or no question, on or off, 1 or 0. Physically, a bit is just a switch. Your computer holds billions of microscopic transistors, each one either letting current flow, that's a 1, or blocking it, that's a 0. One bit alone can't say much, but every bit you add doubles the possibilities. 2 bits give you 4 patterns, 3 give you 8, and 8 bits, a byte, give you 256. That's enough to give every letter on your keyboard its own number. String enough bits together, and you get text, images, sound, everything you have ever seen on a screen. One switch, 2 states, infinite possibility. The bit is the atom of computing.